How to stop recording on YouTube TV. YouTube TV automatically records shows, movies, and sports events when you add them to your library. While you cannot stop an active recording in progress, you can prevent future recordings by removing the show or event from your library. Follow these steps. Method 1. Stop recording using the YouTube TV app, smart TV, or streaming device. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch YouTube TV on your smart TV or streaming device. Step 2. Navigate to the Library tab. Go to the Library tab in the main menu. Step 3. Find the recorded show. Scroll through your recorded content or use the search bar to locate the show or movie. Step 4. Remove from library. Select the show or movie title. Click the checkmark icon or Added to Library button. Confirm the removal. This action will stop future recordings. Method 2. Stop recording using the mobile app. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Go to the Library tab. Tap Library from the bottom menu. Step 3. Find the show or movie. Use the search bar to locate the recorded content. Step 4. Remove the show. Tap the checkmark icon or Added to Library option. Confirm by selecting Remove from Library. Method 3. Stop recording on web browser. Step 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Open tv.youtube.com and sign in. Step 2. Access the Library tab. Click Library from the top menu. Step 3. Locate the show or movie. Use the search bar or scroll through the recorded content. Step 4. Remove the recording. Select the show or movie. Click the checkmark icon or Added to Library button to remove it. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent future recordings of unwanted shows or movies.